Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Mars Wellness Retainer Cleaner Tablets. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're going to try it out and I'll show you what it looks like. In this package, we have 96 counts of the Denture Cleaner Tablets. Each of these tablets are individually wrapped to ensure safety and freshness, and we can open it up whenever we are ready to use it. Plus, it is super easy and convenient to take these tablets with us on the go, and we can always have it on hand so we don't have to worry about getting stuck with smelly retainers or dentures. These tablets are very easy to use. All we need to do is drop a cleaning tab into a cup of warm water along with our denture, mouth guard, or retainer or other dental appliance, and within a few minutes it will dissolve and do its thing. This is such a convenient way to be able to effortlessly remove any stains or odors without putting in a lot of effort to manually clean it. If you are in the market for an easy and convenient way to clean your mouth appliances, you won't want to miss out on this.